Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Buy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can upload and how you can sell your own NFT on OpenSea without gas fees. You don't need to pay any transaction fees. You don't need to pay any gas fees. Without gas fees, I will show you how you can upload, how you can create your own NFT. So if you don't know the method, if you don't know the steps, then let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about NFTs, then make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. And never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in comment section and share this video with all your friends. As I told you in this video, I will show you how you can upload and how you can sell your own NFT on OpenSea without gas fees. So easily you can make money with your NFTs. You don't need to pay any transaction fees, whether Ethereum, Polygon or Binance Smart Chain. So make sure to watch this video till the end in order to not miss, because this video is an important video for artist, singer, videographer and many more. So you can see this is OpenSea.io. OpenSea is one of the top and one of the popular NFT marketplace where you can buy, sell, even you can create your own NFT. So you can check, this is the top collection over last 7 days. So each collection price you can check: $15,000, $13,000, $11,000, $7,000. So this is all the NFTs. NFTs means non-fungible token, something that are unique inside the blockchain. For example, suppose I have this pencil here. So only I don't have this pencil. Lots of people, thousands of people have this pencil. So we cannot say it NFTs. Suppose for example, I have this one, this ring. So I can say it is NFT because for now only I have this ring. For example, suppose many people have this ring, but I'm giving you example, okay? Suppose I only have this ring. No one else has this ring. So it means this is NFT. Something unique, something that no one has without you. You are the only owner of the picture, owner of the music, owner of the video and many more. Okay, I hope you understand what is NFT. So here you can see this is OpenSea.com. Now how you can upload your own NFT? First of all, you need MetaMask wallet, whether MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, Coinbase wallet, no matter. But MetaMask wallet is one of the popular crypto wallet. So first of all, you need to create a MetaMask wallet and then you need to connect your MetaMask wallet with OpenSea. If you don't know how to install MetaMask wallet and how to create MetaMask wallet on Chrome browser, so make sure to watch this video. Here I have uploaded 2 videos, how to install MetaMask wallet on Chrome browser and how to install MetaMask wallet mobile application on Windows PC. So make sure to watch this video and then come back, watch this video. Okay, now to connect your MetaMask wallet or any other crypto wallet, simply click on wallet in right side here, click on it. Now it will give you the option whether MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect and Fortmatic. So I will select MetaMask wallet, simply click on this. Finally, my MetaMask is connected with OpenSea. Now simply click on icon, your profile, go to profile and now you can edit your profile. Simply if you want to just create NFT collection or you want to just change the icon or the logo, your profile name, each and everything you can change in here. If you want to change your profile or if you want to edit your profile, simply click on setting icon in right side. Now in here you can change username, profile image, profile banner, biography, email address, your Instagram link, Twitter link, your site, and then this is your wallet address. After that, simply click on save button. So like this you can change your profile. Okay, now how you can create NFT or how you can upload your NFT? Simply click on create option. So in here you can upload your NFT. For example, in here you need to upload your picture, whether it can be picture, video, audio or 3D model. The file types supported JPG, PNG, you can check the file support here. For example, I am going to upload my NFT. This is my NFT. If I show you here, So this is my NFT that I want to sell it. If you want to buy this NFT, I will give the link in description. So now, and then you just need to give the name. Your name should be attractive. Your NFT name should be attractive. The description should be attractive. If this NFT is available on external website, so make sure to give the link in here. And then collection, if you have any NFT collection, so make sure to select the NFT collection. So I don't have. Properties, if you want to give the properties, for example, the hat color, the jacket color, something like this, you can give it on properties. Levels, leave it as it is. States, leave it as it is. And then unlockable content, include unlockable content that can only be revealed by the owner of the item. So I don't have any unlockable content. If you have, simply just own it. Supply, the number of items that can be minted, no gas cost to you. If you have NFT, about 5 NFT, 10 NFT of supply, so select in here. And then now for gas fees, what you need to do? For gas fees, you need to change Ethereum blockchain to Polygon blockchain, a fast gas-free blockchain experience that works with Ethereum. If you select Ethereum blockchain, so you need to pay the gas fees. If you select Polygon network blockchain, so you don't need to pay any transaction fees, you don't need to pay any gas fees. And then you need to simply click on create. Now I will fill all this option and I will be back. Okay, my NFT is ready. You can see I just fill all the options in here. Properties, you can see as I told you. So now simply click on create. Once again, let me tell you, if you select Ethereum blockchain, so you need to pay the transaction fees. You need to pay the gas fees. If you select Polygon blockchain, so you don't need to pay the gas fees. So make sure to select Polygon. Now simply create, click on create option. Please wait. Finally, my NFT is just created. My NFT is just uploaded. From here, you can share your NFT, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, or you can copy the link. So I will close it. Now you can see, if you want to edit your NFT, simply click on edit option, edit button, and then you can edit your NFT. And then if you select untitled collection, traditional music, this is the name of NFT owned by you. Price history, nothing is just available now because I just uploaded my NFT. I did not put it for sale. I just uploaded on OpenSea. Listing, you can see this is the listing. If I show you, no listed yet. Offers, and then this is the description, properties, about, untitled collection, detail, item activity, minted. So everything you can check in here. Now I will show you how you can sell your NFT. Although you just uploaded your NFT on OpenSea, now this is the time to sell your NFT. Simply click on sell button, top right side. Now in here you just need to type the price of this NFT. Suppose I want to sell it for 1 Ethereum because what I think this NFT can worth 1 Ethereum. We just work hard to make this NFT. And then duration, whether you want to select 7 days, 1 month, 3 days. So I will select 1 month duration. Within 1 month I will sell this NFT. And then for example, let's check fees. Service fees will be 2.5%. Creator fee will be 10%. On each time people buy this NFT, sell this NFT, so I will get 10% commission because I'm the owner of this NFT. I'm the creator of this NFT. So on each transaction, on each buying and selling, I will get 10% commission. Now click complete listing. Okay, in here, first of all, we need to unlock this. Submit a transaction with your wallet to trade with this currency. This only needs to be done once. Simply click on unlock. And then you just need to complete the transaction, MetaMask notification. In here you can see signature request. So now you can check. There is no gas fee. Without gas fee, we can upload, we can sell our NFT on OpenSea. Simply click on sign. While unlocking currency, if you face any transaction error, don't worry, just do it again and again, and finally you can unlock the currency. You can check, finally my one is done. And then now click on sign a message using your wallet to continue. Now you can see MetaMask notification. Simply click on sign option. Okay, finally my NFT is listed for selling. In here you can see your NFT is listed. Now you can share your NFT using this social media account. So I will close it. You can cancel your NFT listing anytime you want. Simply click on cancel listing. Even you can check all the detail. This is the NFT name, the price of NFT. Even you can check the listing. Here you can see this is the listing, the price, USDT price, expiration 1 month. This is my NFT. I'm the owner. If you want to buy this NFT, I will give the link in description. And tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this NFT? Is it a good NFT or no? Or this NFT worth 1 Ethereum or no? Tell me in the comment section. Please, I need your idea. Please don't hesitate. And then now you can check all the detail. This is the listing, minted. You can check each and everything about the NFT. Like this, you can just upload and you can sell your NFT on OpenSea without any gas fees. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any problem or question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to click on the like button. Tell me in the comment section about my NFT. What do you think about my NFT? And then still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.